Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you blur the background when you're in a Google Meet? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to blur the background in your Google Meet anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you hold your sales calls or maybe meetings through Google Meet, sometimes the background's not ideal or it's going to be distracting, so it's better to go ahead and blur it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Meet meeting. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a meeting, and this is the communication screen. So first, let me go ahead and turn on my camera. Okay, so now you can see I have my camera on, and it has this fake background. So to make sure it's a blurred background, you're going to click on these three dots here at the bottom. Once you do that, click on background and effects. All right, sorry guys, it's kind of weird because there's three of me here. But in order to blur the background, you're going to click on one of these blue buttons right here. So I'll click on this one, and now you can see the background is blurred, and it's the real background. Now, if it looks a little too blurred and it looks maybe not as authentic, you can go ahead and choose this one right here. And you can see it's blurred, but it's still, you can see there's like a little plant here and a shelf. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to blur your background in a Google Meet, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.